Okay, hi guys, I'm Kaushal, I'm one of the AMS mentors. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the bandsaw and show you where everything is. The bandsaw is perfect for cutting pieces of wood, in the order of a few inches, making nice, clean, straight cuts, as well as angled cuts if you're smart about it. But there's a few important things to consider when using our bandsaw. And the first thing is we need proper ventilation. So, of course, make sure your sleeves are rolled up, you have your hair's tied up, no wrist watches, jewelry, anything like that. Make sure your safety glasses are on, and then we can get started. Make sure this vent is open, and then we're gonna come back here, turn on this central ventilation system with this green button. If it's not working, it might just mean you need to twist off this red cap, and then you should be able to click this green button and start it. Okay, it's gonna get a little loud, so I'll try to talk louder. Let me get a piece of wood, 1 second. We're gonna cut off a little piece of this wood over here. A few things for the bandsaw. There's a white knob right over here. This will allow us to adjust the height. Turning it counterclockwise goes up, clockwise goes down. You want it to just give you enough clearance for your piece, so this is about good here. I'm not gonna show you how to change out the blades in this video because this blade is good. But should you need to change out the speed or the blade, you would want to open this compartment up, and you can mess around with the pulleys later, as well as the bigger pulley system down here. So assuming everything is good, which it should be for most cases, assuming the bend is not broken, the blade is not broken, you just want to click start here. Use 2 hands. Roughly put wherever the line you want to cut centered between the two. And just a nice, clean, straight motion. Follow through all the way before pulling your piece out. Make sure your piece is fully out, then you can stop it. We can turn off our ventilation by pushing that red button. And then close our vent tube. And that should be it. Now you know how to use the bandsaw. Thank you.